Alright, I'm back with some Minecraft Education Edition. Like and subscribe. Right now, I'm just finding a mining bar. Here you go. What the? How'd that stuff come back? Whatever. That's how I got this iron. I forgot about this mining spot, but how did it come back? Dang it. I'll be back when I'm done mining this. Hey, I'm back. It's all gone. I got 11 pieces from that. Just like last time. Write a comment down below if that ever happened to you. You mined iron, and then like a couple of videos after, if you're a YouTuber, a couple of videos after, all that iron comes back in the same spot, and you got the same amount. Alright, so I'm going to my house. Okay, that's my agent. Yep, that's my agent. Alright, tomorrow at 2 o'clock, it'll be May 8th, 2020. If you want to join me at 2 o'clock on this same map, you do this. IP address is 192.168.0.41. Alright? Say that again one more time. 192.168.0.41. Alright? Straight at 2. Alright. This is my house. That's the hot tub. I don't really like them. Why is it so dark in here? Oh, I never broke one. When did I break one? Like, when did that happen? Alright, so I'm gonna smell this. I'm not smelting that. I'm cooking that. I need a smoker and a bunch more furnaces. Dang, it's already done. Oh, there's only one piece. Alright, so that's my food. Oh, that's not my food. Where's my food? What the? Ow. Oh, nice. Forgot about these. Oh, if I die, that's gonna be bad. I'm gonna lose them. Alright, I'm gonna take a test run, see what happens. I'm gonna see what happens if I die. I haven't tried that yet. You know, I am gonna take all my armor off and everything. Just put it there. I'm just gonna keep that. Alright, so the next video I'm gonna do, I'll have an enchanting book with some enchanting stuff, so I'm gonna change my armor and my other stuff. So my friend, he was playing with me on Minecraft. He never knew about this dude, so I was like, do you know what Minecraft is? So you see my little dude in the corner? I'll show you. Right here. See my dude? Like, how do you have that type of armor? I'm like, that's my dude's armor. And he was like, no. I was like, yeah. And I just started talking. But, yeah. So, alright, I'm going to jump in a pit of lava and see what happens. See if I spawn here. Unless it was nighttime. It was nighttime. Oh no. Leave bed. Leave bed. Let's see what happens. Where are the mobs? So, whatever, I'm gonna do it. Whoa. Smith, he tried to swim in lava. I tried to. I did. Alright, so that's what happens. I didn't know. Now I'm gonna go to bed. Wait, I never realized that. What the? There's coal in my thing. Oh yeah, I remember I put that there. Well, I never put obsidian there. What the? Is there? There's no glass there. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna do something with that. Alright, right now I'm making a room. Most of my stuff gets done, already is done. I want. Oh! I still have my. What the? How do I still have that? Alright, this is getting creepy. So all I'm gonna need is a shovel for now. That's all I'm gonna need. Yeah, this. And my shovel. Alright. So I'm gonna dig down this way. Hopefully water don't come out and at me. Whoa, what is this? What is this? Nice. Alright, I was already a ladder. Okay, I'm going up. Wait, what? I never noticed that. What? Oh, I never put that there. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. Come here. Like, what is going on? That's crazy. Alright, we have like 5 minutes left of the video, but I always make my video 15 minutes unless I'm going live. But probably go live in like a year, because I don't know how yet. But this is crazy. Never did this and I never realized it. But this will be my chance here. Pretty much. Then make this into a farm. I'll make this into like, I don't know. So yeah. No, I'm gonna do something with this. Really? Just really? I don't know how to get chicken eggs. Well, yeah. Chicken eggs. I'm gonna do that one more. Nope, wrong one. I didn't know really. Oh, that was gravel. What's that? I never heard of this. Never even knew that. It was a word. That's it. That's great. And I moved it. I think I can do parkour out here. Yo. Here's the next video. I'm making some eggs. Chicken eggs. I don't know why I did that. Right here, I'm just gonna do that. Wait, no, I have chicken. I just almost one chicken right now. Wait. Alright, so come here. And why was I just in here? And why is that broke? I think someone's trying to troll me right now. Didn't let anybody on, but this is getting weird. I forgot I have a chest full of eggs. See, like, a bunch of blocks are getting broke. Didn't even break. I think it's this one. Yeah. Chickens. Don't know why chickens, but break that. There. Well, they ain't gonna get out. Cause I'm gonna break that block in the whoa. Crap. Whoa. They're just flying. So, yeah, that's how I get eggs. I think I have like one seed.